what's up? So it's my first day one of trying to get into nationals. It's a 74 kilo lifter for the PR. Actually, hindi pa pala ako affiliated. Nasa ulit, monetize. Wala pa ako pag-monetize. So okay. Currently going up, warm up ko na to. So apparently, super aga ng gising ko. At first day na school, it's Monday. Hindi 10, 11 kasi hindi rin ako makatulog. Apparently my body clock is not so good. And I woke up like, what, 5? 11 din nata ako nakatulog. It's not exactly 10. But we'll take whatever we have. I wanna walk too long, so I got this. It's much cheaper kaysa Monster. And I didn't wanna walk too far na mas mura or cheaper option. I just bought to the a bit more expensive store. All roads lead to Romblada.
Ano ko rin natin tulad. Hindi dapat 2 weeks.
Voice over dirinig. So tinatagilid ko yung knee sleeves ko para mas may maget ako from the bounce. Mas bumilis yung squat ko this way. Yung lines na igigilid ko siya ng konti instead of nasa diretsong back, nasa likod ng tuhod ko, igigilid ko siya sa konti para mabilis yung explode ko pataas. Shoutout sa mga tinuturuan ko. Kita na baga? Ay, kita na. Ito isa pa. What are you saying? What are you saying?
Next month, move to Zimbabwe.
Yes, biggest compliment. So I just got home. I was rushed na umuwi. Sinundo na lang ako and Honestly, wala na ako dun sa ano eh, wala na ako dun sa energy ko kanina. Uh, it was the best block ever. Like it was the best training I had. It's the best kahit as bright, as clear as the sun ang deadlift ko, I didn't hit it. Una is hitch, which is, nag-hitch ako isang beses. Kasi I was caught with the emotion na kailangan ko to ingat. If not, wala akong hindi ko ma-hit yung goal ko. And then, yung grip nag-fail. So, thing is, I'll count it kasi syempre, pinaghirapan ko yun. And, nai-lock out ko naman. The thing is, nung nai-lock out ko na, saka lang nag-slip yung grip. Hindi ko na na-follow yung down, if meron, di ba? So, I'll count it. So far, it's the best training I've ever had. Self-coached, hit ko yung goals ko for today, and I can't wait to hit 200 kilo squat. Yes, 200 kilo squat. It will take some time. And 225 deadlift. I know it will take some time, pero yun muna tayo sa 180 squat and 200 kilo deadlift. Yun muna ang goal. Thanks. I just wanna thank the people who helped me on the lifts. And apparently I'm going to be coach na para I can focus on myself being a lifter. So I don't have to judge myself in what third perspective, di ba?